Now Food Super Omega 369, a well-balanced blend for overall wellness. Let's see if it lives up to expectations. Before we get started, as always, check with your healthcare professional and make sure this or any supplements is right for you. Now Food Super Omega 369 is an easy way to get a full spectrum of healthy fats in one soft gel. With fish, borage, and flaxseed oils, this blend delivers 1,200 milligrams of essential fatty acids to support heart, brain, and joint health. The softgels are smooth and easy to take, with no overpowering fishy aftertaste. A big win for an omega supplement. The 180-count bottle means you're stocked up for quite a while, making this a great value for daily wellness. If you're looking for a high-quality omega blend that covers all the bases, this one delivers. We give it 2 thumbs up. As always, before starting any supplement, check with your healthcare professional to see if it's right for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.